something's wrong. Watch the rising sun, turning all my nights to days. Turn the speaker on, play the song. Yeah, you know the one, makes me feel some type of way. I've been on my own, come find me now. I'm lonely to the bone, but I don't feel so low when you're around. Let's run away from home. I wanna get lost with you. Picture waking up someone new. I wanna get lost.
Holy shit. I think we've walked down like 2 of the 3 or 5 billion trails that are over here. Alright, well, looks like we took the wrong way. Again. Alright, we should be headed to the right place now.
Won't fade away. I've been on my own, come find me now. I'm lonely to the bone, but I don't feel so low when you're around. Let's run away from home. I wanna get lost with you. Picture waking up someone new. I wanna get lost with you.
Well, it's cold as shit, and the sun's gone. Alright, what's the deal?
We can stop and get a treat, small treat. I will let you take photos of me when you take the photo shop. But I want a little treat.
Put it there, come on. Shake on it.
Hot treat.
I'll surprise you.
What?
I'll surprise
What
you.
about Hachitos?
I'll surprise you.
Or Starbucks?
I'll surprise
I'm
you.
hungry.
You'll see.
What happens if it's not fit?
Oh my god. So what you're saying, you're automatically saying that whatever I pick is gonna suck.
No. Okay.
Alright, well, we got totally fucking rained out.
We knew this would happen.
We knew it was gonna happen, we just didn't exactly know how to time it right. So, beach day is kind of fucked, but I mean, we got to do a little bit of exploring at least.
The universe won't let me have one beach day.
Not a single one.
Every single time something happens.
Like last time in Kona, it started raining too, or it was like super
Crowded?
Yeah, super crowded. And then I wasn't feeling it anymore, so I wanted to leave like every fucking 3 seconds. Oh, all of our stuff ready. Now we're heading out. It's cold as shit. I think it was pretty successful, don't you think? Me too, for once.
Look how nice that is.
Just heading out ski now.
Day 36 with no water, no food. They're in the trees.
They're in the trees.
The trees. I'm very sad because I just want to go swimming for one day. For one day, I cry and cry that I want to go swimming. Almost died. But no matter what happens, what is it? Resilient?
You're resilient?
I'm resilient and I push through. I'm grateful that I got to swim for a little bit.
Scrawny motherfucker with a cool hairstyle. I'm a scrawny motherfucker with a cool hairstyle. I'll be one of those people you remember. We'll be looking at us when we're together. I'll be a mannequin you can dismember.
Oh.
That works. Found a free GoPro in the woods.
Look at me. Look at the
think that was a pretty cool video. You guys will see the rest of the video or whatever I shoot on Instagram or whatever. But yeah, I guess till next time. Peace.
No, it's gonna be easy to me. I got a bankroll. Shooters doing what I say.